when my team says, hey, we need 150 grand wire for payroll, I don't look at the person who's charging me 2 grand a month. I look at, hey, you're getting paid 7 grand a month. You're getting paid 10 grand a month. Help me understand what you produced last month. But for the person who's getting paid 2K a month, it literally costs me more time to even try to fire them than not firing them. You want to exist in that realm, the realm of you're just doing you're giving them a little bit of content, you're optimizing their funnel, you're optimizing this, you're giving them a little automation that does work every day and charge, you know, enough money that you're just profitable, you have amazing profits, but not so much that they have to now start worrying about the value that you bring to the table. Path C is retainer plus performance. This is where you become a true growth partner and get paid also on the upside. So you no longer just get paid for your execution, but you now get paid, hey, if we add an extra 100 grand this month, we want to make 10% of that. If we add an extra, 100 grand, we want to make 20 grand uh, off of that. But for you to deserve this, you have to be owning technically everything, the system, the execution, and the results. If the business does not grow, you're responsible, not the client. That's why I personally prefer living in this um, middle stage where ownership is shared across the board. It's, hey, we do this, but you also have to do this. We do this, hey, but you also have to do this. And it's just pay us a retainer every month, something that doesn't break your P&L, and then you're good. Most people will deal with these two situations and start hating their business instead of seeing it as an opportunity to build a solution, to build a workflow, to solve the exact thing that this business is not wanting to do themselves. If the client doesn't want to create the ads themselves, okay, perfect. Do it for them, even do it for free. The first month, second month, put them on a retainer or say, hey, we'll give you a free month if you commit to this retainer starting next month. Everyone is going to sign up to that price, to that retainer. If the client ends up seeing great success, they're going to want to, new problems are going to arise from the initial system. That's the only thing that's guaranteed in life. When you solve one bottleneck, the next one shows up. Beautiful. Be ready to start solving it. But all issues come an opportunity for you to make more money and to expand the value of each client. Never ever see clients unhappy as an issue. Like if you let's say if a client any time a client complains, they'll complain because there is a lack of process that removes friction to do the thing that needs to be done. And I see that as okay, perfect. If I solve it, then I can, yes, provide and solve the problem for this client, but I also then end up being able to provide more value to other clients and I get to choose. Do I want to give it away for free or do I want to package it into a way to have another transaction? Once you start thinking from this perspective, you see how you can come in, position yourself as sell a system up front, but you're not worried because you know the moment you release the system into their operations, one of these two things happen. This or this. Go ahead and make money.